What do I see? So today we at the park. At the park. And I always have a water phone or water phone case before I can go to the water. But I'm gonna put my phone somewhere where I can like record it. You can see me, guys, but not like going inside with my phone. But I'm just gonna try it out that. Just gonna go like this. Put my phone for I can't. It's too water. You cannot like see good. The water's white. But look it. Oh yeah, now I get. Now there's only one. And this little. Oh shoot! And that big one. And that little one. And cover this one out. Now I'm just gonna go. Gonna try to do like this, and my phone got wet. I'm gonna clean it off so fast. I'm trying to do that. I'm just gonna go like this. ¿Puedo jugar un ratito después me puedo bañar? So we are just gonna play a little bit. We're gonna play a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the water. Cause I love water. I love water. And yeah, then we're gonna play. Floor is lava all by myself. There's nobody. There's no floor is lava. So, well, I have to say it when I don't even know, okay? So I don't even know. So I can make your hand clap. So I can make... Yeah, okay. Ready? 11, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, shoot, yes! Actually, I'm just gonna go to the water first. Okay. ¿Me puedo bañar? ¿Puedo bañar? ¿Me puedo bañar?
Sí, pero vayan a jugar primero.
No. I'm just gonna take off my... I'm just gonna leave my phone. Oh shoot. I have to go. I'm scared. I'm scared of my phone falls and I get water on it. I'm gonna do it. I'm brave. Okay. I paused the video. I don't know why, but somebody paused the video, so I'm wet. Wanting to get some little bit of bit like Tim, like him. Not scared. Yeah. That's good. That's so good. Look it's making it bite. The dog is biting the... Look at that little thing. Dog is biting it, and look at my brother. I'm so freaking cold. I'll walk without... Oh, yeah, what's going on? Two freaking down. No, I'm not going to two of them. I'm not going with two of them. I'm just going with one. It's like that. I'm just gonna... Oh, shoot. Oh, what is... Oh, God. I'm so close to go on me. My phone is still working. Hold on. I can hold. I don't want to do this anymore. Can't keep my hands out there, but I'm just gonna sit down, relax. Okay, well, ahorita gonna sit down. Yeah, that's it. Please don't tell me that's all. Oh, that's kind of hot, but not too hot. I don't want to sit because, oh yeah. It's kind of good. It's kind of good. kind of good, but I have to use my dad's sweater to clean it off if it's not gonna work. I feel like I want a please shout out to Justin Vlogs, cause please give him 1,000,000 likes on him, like please, just please. I want him. If you just see, just put WW, not WW, but just put Justin Vlogs. Just put him. Put all his videos on 1,000 likes, like literally 1,000 likes. Cause I want you guys to give him 1,000 likes. Cause he's gonna get me. I can go to the water, yes, using not somebody holding it. I can go in the water, like in the pool, in a pool. Yeah, in the pool with the waterproof camera. It's gonna have everything. The water taste. Go on it. That's a big hole. Just do that, and it's gonna give me a water camera. Yeah, so I can go to the pool, not using my phone. Like my phone is not even a waterproof. Just a regular phone, not like a real phone. I can't even call. I just have to call with my mom. I don't know, in my birthday, he's gonna give me that. Like, please smash that like button for him. Not for me. Please smash that. I want him to get the golden plate. That's even better than the camera. So, just please smash that like button. For me, yeah. For me, yeah, but if you see his vlogs, yes, please smash that like button. Don't even think about smashing my like button. Just smash his like button. He is one of the best. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't do nothing. That's it. Wrap this video. Yeah, you know. See you next time.